Your electricity bill contains a lot of information regarding your energy consumption, and knowing how to read this utility bill can actually help you better understand your rates, making it easier to compare different plans available in your area. Typically, your electricity bill is broken down into two major components: delivery charges and supply charges. Delivery charges refer to the fees associated with maintaining and operating power lines and other electric infrastructure used to deliver power from the supplier to your home or business. Your utility company uses these funds to pay for poles, wires, or professional workers. Supply charges are the costs associated with producing and delivering the electricity that you use each month. These charges are the more variable portion of your bill and fluctuate based on seasonality and usage rates. If you're enrolled with a third party or retail electricity provider, the name of that company will appear on the supply portion of your electricity bill. Your usage rate is typically either a fixed rate or variable rate, depending on what kind of plan you have with your utility provider. Fixed rates remain steady throughout your contract period, while variable rates change as market rates fluctuate each month. Taxes are also an included component in your power bill. These are usually state and local taxes applied on top of both supply and delivery costs. In addition to understanding your delivery and supply charges with taxes, you should also familiarize yourself with other important information included on your bill, such as meter readings and estimated versus actual readings. Another important aspect of your bill to be aware of before selecting a provider is understanding their default utility charges. Sometimes called the price to compare, this charge is typically hidden in the fine print of your contract, making it that much easier to pay 2 to 3 times over value. ElectricityRates.com helps bring these hidden fees to light with our advanced projection technology. Knowing all this information will help ensure that you are accurately billed for your energy consumption each month without any surprises or discrepancies. If you live in an area with deregulated energy or energy choice, you may elect to choose your own electricity provider and terms that are different than the standard offer from the utility company. If you are not enrolled with a third-party electricity provider, you can visit an energy comparison website like ElectricityRates.com and enter your zip code to see available options in your area. ElectricityRates.com compares electricity rates in your area and can help you make the switch to save you money overall on your energy consumption. Understanding your electricity bill and the charges within it puts the power back in your hands to make informed decisions when it comes to electric companies and their rates.